Bavarian breakfast is a must-have to try if you're in Germany and especially in Bavaria. I'd say there are 4 levels how you can do it. The simplest version, which I'm going to show you today, is to cook it at home when you have frozen Brezeln and packaged Weißwurst. Ideally, if you cook it at home in the morning, you go to the bakery to buy fresh Brezeln and to a butcher shop to buy Weißwurst. Level number 3 is to eat it in a restaurant or a butcher shop. And the highest level of preparation and engagement on top of that to wear traditional clothes. Again, what do you need? Brezeln, Weißwurst, Bavarian sweet mustard, brand Händlmaier, original Obazda and non-alcoholic beer or radler. You can bake your Brezeln in the oven for around 13 minutes. Then you should boil some water. Meanwhile, you can set your table. As soon as water starts boiling, turn on the stove, put Weißwurst in there and remove the pan from the hot surface. Never cook Weißwurst in intensely boiled water. Your Brezeln are ready, take them with you. Pour yourself a non-alcoholic beer. And after a few minutes you can already start eating. Do not eat Weißwurst casing, it must be carefully peeled. Enjoy breakfast, Weißwurst, sweet mustard and Brezeln with Obazda. Do you like Bavarian breakfast? I'll check the comments later to see your answers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put like to this video. See you in my next videos.